Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today in this video we are going to fix if your keyboard is typing in different language or it's typing incorrectly. So this video is for you. So please make sure you watch the whole video, and if you are new to my channel then please hit the like and subscribe button. So at the first thing, just go to the Windows menu icon, click on mouse right button. Here click on device manager option. After that click on keyboard. Now select your keyboard model and just right click on your mouse. Now click on update driver. Once you have select update driver, then follow the introduction which I give you in this video. So once it is done, just go back to your keyboard and check that your problem is fixed or not. If it is not, then again go to the Windows menu icon and click on mouse right key, and here click on device manager. After that click on the keyboard again, select your keyboard model, and this time choose to uninstall. After uninstall that, just restart your Windows, and Windows will automatically reinstall your keyboard driver once again. Just go back to your keyboard and check that your problem is fixed or not. If it is not, then it's may a problem in your Windows keyboard troubleshooter. So don't worry about that. Now we have manually fixed this problem. So for that, go to the search icon and type here troubleshoot, and the suggestion, just click on troubleshoot setting. So now here you have to click on additional troubleshooter. Because I am using Windows 10, so this option additional troubleshooter, and if you are using Windows 11, then maybe you have to click on other troubleshooter option. Okay, so after clicking the additional troubleshooter, such kind of window like appear. So after that you have to scroll down and look for keyboard. So you can see I have found it. I just have to click on troubleshoot, run the troubleshooter for keyboard, and if it says troubleshooting has complete, then go to your keyboard and see that your problem is fixed or not. But in case still you have the issue, so don't worry about that. We have another method to fix this problem. So just do a right click in the start icon, and then go to setting. Now once you are here in setting, we need to look for the time and language, and once you have find it, just click on that. After that you will find on your left side language. Now this is the important part where we have to look closely, which is at the very top. So I can see in the language section, English United States is my default language, and at the very top, and it says your Windows display, apps and website, regional format, keyboard and space. So you can see that all are set to English United States. So what you have to do, you have to choose same language for all the department. Okay, but in case if you want to change the default language, then you have to click on this plus icon, add a language, then you can choose your default language here which you want. Okay, so once you have chosen, after that just click on this region option on your left side, and here also you have to choose the same language which one you have chosen the language section. So once it is done, just restart your Windows, and after that you will be able to type correct characters on your keyboard. So let me know in the comment section if you have fixed this problem or not. I hope this video helped for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.